Okay, shall we start? Yes, sir. Okay, dear students, today we have to study the poem Quality of Mercy, which is written by William Shakespeare. In this poem, we are going to understand and recite the last 4 lines. It is enthroned in the heart of king. It is an attribute to God himself, and earthly power doth then show like a God. When mercy ceases, justice. Also, we can recite this poem in the manner of, or in the way of singing the songs in film songs. Usually, we are singing film songs. We can remember those songs very easily. How can it possible? Because those are rhythmic. Those songs are very rhythmic. They are very melodious. We can hear in a pleasant mood. So we can remember those. In the way of that, we can recite the poem Quality of Mercy. Just now I recite, you follow me. Okay? Also you follow it. It is enthroned in the heart of kings. It is enthroned in the heart of kings. It is attribute to God himself. It is attribute to God himself. And earthly power then show like his gods. And earthly power then show like his gods. When mercy seasons justice. When mercy seasons justice. Okay. Recite again with me. 1, 2, 3, start. It is enthroned in the heart of kings. It is an attribute to God himself. And earthly power then show like his gods. When mercy seasons justice. When mercy seasons justice. Okay, already we know that how to remember these 4 lines using graph. Or using visual graphs or visual pictures. Okay, here we drawn picture of art at the right side of the board, and also we drawn what is this? The god Hanuman. God Hanuman we drawn. Also, what is this? Earth. We have drawn the earth. Next, here are some points we have written on the board. That is, it is enthroned. An attribute, earthly power, mercy seasons. Here it is and when. Then also here another, we drawn another picture. What is this? What it indicates? Seasons. We have seasons on earth. Malegala, Cheligala, Besigekala, summer season, winter season, spring season, like that. Here mercy seasons we can see on earth. Okay. Can we explain? Can anybody explain these pictures using the last 4 lines? Please come. Please come. Yes.
It is enthroned in the heart of king.
What is enthroned in the heart of king? You don't say. You should not say the answer. Here I am asking for preparations. Okay. What is enthroned?
Mercy.
Mercy is enthroned. Mercy is, what is mercy? What is mercy? What is mercy? No. What is mercy? Mercy ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನು? What it is? What is it? Character. Very good. Character, quality. It is the greatest quality on earth. Okay. Next, it is enthroned. What's the meaning of the enthroned? You say. Can anybody tell? What is the meaning of the enthroned? Seated. What is seated? What is seated? Mercy seated. Where it is seated? Where it occupies the place? Where it occupies the place? In the heart. In the heart. In the heart. In the heart. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Again.
It is enthroned in the heart king.
It means what? ಅದು ಅಂದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಯಾವ್ದಪ್ಪ?
Mercy.
It is ಎಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರ ಹೃದಯದಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು? ಕರುಣೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಕರುಣೆ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠವಾದ ಗುಣ. ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಬೇರೆಯವರಿಗೆ ತೋರಿಸೋದ್ರ ಮೂಲಕ ನಾವು ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠರಾಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಪಡ್ಕೊಂಡಂತಹ ಆ ಗುಣವನ್ನ ಪಡ್ಕೊಂಡಂತಹ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯೂ ಸಹ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಉತ್ತಮ ಗುಣವನ್ನ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾನೆ. One who receives it, he becomes the greatest person, and one who gives that become a greatest person, the greatest person. Okay. Because we are giving, or we are what we are giving the good quality to others. Good quality to others. The person who receives that quality becomes strong, become ethically strong. ಅವನು ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ. He is like a god. He is looking like a god. ದೇವ್ರ ತರ ಕಾಣ್ತಾನೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Next, ಏನಪ್ಪ? It is enthroned in the art of peace. Okay, next.
It is an attribute to God Himself.
Okay, attribute. Attribute. It is attribute. What is attribute? What is attribute? No. What is attribute for the God? What is attribute to the God? ದೇವರಿಗೆ attribute ಯಾವುದು? Mercy is attribute to the God. What is the meaning of the word attribute? Quality or character. Quality or character. Okay, it is an attribute. Mercy is attribute or character itself to the God. Itself to the God. It's a God quality. Mercy is a God's quality. ದೇವರಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಗುಣ ದೇವರಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದೇವರನ್ನೇ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ದೇವರನ್ನೇ ನಾವು ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠವಾದ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಕಷ್ಟಗಳನ್ನ ಬಗೆಹರಿಸಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಅವನ ಮುಂದೆ ಕೈ ಮುಗಿದು ನಿಂತ್ಕೋತೀವಿ. ಅವನನ್ನೇ ನಾವು ನಂಬಿದೀವಿ. We believe the God. All we believe the God. ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಗುಣ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನಾಗ್ತೀವಿ? ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಗುಣ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನಾಗ್ಬೋದು? What becomes when we have such a quality in our heart? We become God. The other people will treat us like a God. Other people will say on us the greatest quality we had. He is the ethically strong person, good person. All will pray us. All will respect us. All will give respect for us. All will honor us. Okay, it's the honorable quality, great quality. Next.
And earthly power then so like a God.
Earthly power. We are all living on earth. It's the green planet. It has some power. It gives everything for us. ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನೂ ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಈ ಭೂಮಿ. ನಾವು ಬದುಕಿರೋದೇ ಈ ಭೂಮಿಯಿಂದ. ಭೂಮಿ ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಬದುಕಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಸಾಧ್ಯ. ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ಇದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಪವರ್ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಭೂಮಿಗೆ ಬರೀ ಇದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಶಕ್ತಿ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ, ಪವರ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? When does the earth gets power? When does the earth gets power? ಯಾವಾಗ ಈ ಭೂಮಿ all people when having mercy, when showing mercy, all the people when they show mercy, all the people when they have mercy, they look like God. Show like us. Show like God. Show like God. Okay? When all the people on earth having mercy, when they show mercy, this earth looks like heaven. ಸ್ವರ್ಗ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಭೂಮಿ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ತಪ್ಪುಗಳು ನಡೆಯಲ್ಲ ಈ ಭೂಮಿ ಮೇಲೆ. ಯಾವುದೇ ಹಿಂಸೆ ನಡೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಕ್ರೂರತನ ನಡೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರನ್ನು ಸಾಯಿಸಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರನ್ನು ಬೈಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರನ್ನು ಅಸೂಯೆ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ ಭೂಮಿನ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವರ್ಗ ಆಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಂಥ ಸ್ವರ್ಗ ಭೂಮಿ ಇನ್ನೆಲ್ಲೂ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ಈ ಭೂಮಿ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ? ದೇವ್ರ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ದೇವರುಗಳಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಭೂಮಿ ಮೇಲೆ. ಕೈ ಮುಗಿಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ. ಆಗ ಈ ಭೂಮಿನೂ ದೇವರು, ಈ ಭೂಮಿ ತಾಯಿನೂ ದೇವರು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಆ ಭೂಮಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾರುತಗಳು ಬೀಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ. When all the people living on earth, they are look like God, they are having lot of mercy in their hearts. The seasons they started to blow. ಬೀಸಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ, ಸೀಸನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ. ಎಂತ ಸೀಸನ್ಸ್? Then mercy seasons we can see on earth. We can see mercy seasons on earth. ಕಾಲ ಎಂಥ ಕಾಲಪ್ಪ? ವರ್ಷಿ ಕಾಲ, ಕರುಣೆಯ ಕಾಲ ಭೂಮಿಯ ಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡಬಹುದು. ಕರುಣೆಯ ಕಾಲವನ್ನು ನೋಡಬಹುದು. ಬೇಸಿಗೆ ಕಾಲ, ಮಳೆಗಾಲ, ಚಳಿಗಾಲ ಇವೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇವೆಲ್ಲದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕಾಲವನ್ನು ನೋಡಬಹುದು. ಎಂಥ ಕಾಲಪ್ಪ ಇದು? ಕರುಣೆಯ ಕಾಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Okay, very good, fine. Again, tell it. Attend the lines. Recite the lines. Okay, once again.
It is enthroned in the heart of kings. It is an attribute to God Himself. And earthly power that
Show like it.
then
Show
so
like it.
like as God. When mercy season justice.
Very good. Fine, next. Next, please. Yeah. Next, please. Come here, next. ಬೇಗ ಬಾಮ್ಮ. ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರೇ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಒಬ್ಬರಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಅದೇ ತರ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಆ ಲೈನ್ ನೆನಪಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ.
It is enthroned in the heart of kings. It is an attribute to God Himself, and earthly power
Then-
then so likest God. When mercy seasons justice.
ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಭೂಮಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು?
Justice.
ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ನ್ಯಾಯ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರು ನ್ಯಾಯ, ನೀತಿ, ಧರ್ಮ. ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ಜನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಭೂಮಿ ಮೇಲೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಒನ್ ಬೈ ಒನ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್.
It is enthroned in the heart of king. It is an attribute to God Himself, and earthly power that then show like as God's when mercy season justice.
Yes, please. Next. Okay, go on.
It is enthroned in the heart of kings.
What is enthroned in the heart of kings?
Mercy.
Mercy. Very good. Where it should enthrone? Where it should enthrone? Where really?
In a heart.
In the
Heart.
Okay.
It is attribute and
To ಯಾರಿಗೆ attribute ಇದು? ಯಾರಿಗೆ? To whom is this mercy is attribute to? Attribute to? Who is that? Attribute to?
God Himself.
Okay.
And earthly power that show like God. When mercy seasons
What next? Mercy seasons?
Justice.
Justice. Okay. Next. Next, please. Okay. Go on. Yes. Next. No. Next.
It is enthroned in the heart of kings.
Okay. Fine.
It is an attribute God Himself
To ಯಾರಿಗೆ? To God Himself.
to God Himself, and earthly power that God then show like it God's when mercy season justice.
Justice. Very good. Fine. Catch him. Next. What is it?
It is enthroned in the heart of things. It is an attribute to God Himself, and earthly power that and show like it God when mercy season justice.
Next. Yes, please. Make up to it.
it is an attribute to God.
No. Enthroned seat ಆಗಿದೆ. Seat ನೋಡಿ enthroned seat ಆಗಿದೆ. Seat ಹಾಕಿದೀವಿ ನೋಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
It is an attribute to
What is attribute? Quality. ನೋಡಿ ಇದು attribute ಅಂದ್ರೆ character. Character ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಾ?
It is an enthroned in the
ಯಾರು enthroned ಅಲ್ಲ. It is enthroned.
It is enthroned in the heart of kings. It is an attribute to God Himself.
Yes. And
And earthly power that when show like it God's
ಓಕೆ, ಯಾರನ್ನು ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ? ಭೂಮಿ ಯಾರನ್ನು ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ? ದೇವರನ್ನು ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. ದೇವರಾಗಿ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ವರ್ಗವಾಗಿ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್.
When mercy seasons justice.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್, ಫೈನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. ಎಸ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. ರೇಖಾ, be ready to tell it. Come here.
It is enthroned in the heart of kings. It is an attribute God, in God himself,
Okay, to God himself.
to God himself, and earthly power that then show like it God. When mercy seasons justice.
Very good, fine. ಕೆಳಗೆ.
It is enthroned in the heart of kings. It is an attribute to God himself,
And
and earthly power
death.
that show like his God. When mercy seasons justice.
Fine. Next. Can anybody please? Voluntarily you can come and recite it. This is chance for you. Tomorrow you won't have chance to recite. ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಂಥದ್ದೊಂದು ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ, ನಾಳೆ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಚಿತ್ರ ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ. I can't draw the picture tomorrow. Again and again you can't write it. Please come and recite. Practice it. Yes, please. Don't worry. I will help you. Your friends will help you. Tell it.
It is enthroned in the heart of kings.
Very good. An attribute.
And attributed
Attribute to
God
himself.
himself.
Earthly power.
Earthly power, just earthly power, and earthly power showed
Like yes.
showed like that
God. ಯಾವಾಗ? When mercy seasons justice. Yes, please. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much.